fellow builders. As you saw last time on the truck here, we got the inside all sprayed down, cleaned out, you know, tore out all the garbage. We're getting ready to fix some of these holes. Now, this actually might be a pretty good angle. See some of these holes. Ooh, yep. Yeah, you can kind of see, you know, like right here, some. It kind of goes all the way back to here. But also, while we were cleaning up some more dirt and stuff in here to get ready to replace this, we found this. And I hope that, yep, so there's a hole right there. Got one right there. And then one right about there. I don't know. Yeah, there we go. And then there's one right up here too. So this we're gonna have to cut out. Probably cut out like this much. Let's see. Yeah, probably from right where this swoops up. We'll cut this out, come back, and then we're gonna have to get back into here just a little bit. I don't really want to get rid of that screw hole. I want to keep that there. So I'll probably come straight out like this and then go up. And it won't ever be perfect, but it'll be pretty good. And this will be pretty good. Kind of the same thing. We're gonna cut along the bottom here, and then we're gonna go up and around, maybe over time, get rid of this little hump here. I don't know what this is here for. It's really not there for anything. So probably get rid of this hump. So come up like this and around, and then down here, and then go over and down, because you know this is curved up, then it's curved over, and then it curves up again. So that's gonna be pretty compounding corners. It's either gonna be a lot of welding or a lot of trying to bend and stuff, and I don't really want to do that. So I'm trying to make it as simple as possible. If we can just get one bend, that would be ideal. And then over here won't be any bends. Hopefully it'll just be one flat piece. I'm gonna vacuum up that other side and check for holes over there. All right, so on this side, kind of the same deal. Luckily, no rust in here. Well, no structural, like it's just kind of surface rust. And then, yeah, you kind of see one little hole there, and then slightly bigger hole right there. I don't know. Yeah, you can see it. Yeah, a slightly bigger hole right there. There's actually a little pinhole now that I'm looking on the camera. Yeah, you can see a little pinhole right there and the bigger hole. So those should be pretty easy. I'm kind of the same thing. I might just cut along the edge here and then come out, and then just a little plate right there. Shouldn't be a big deal. So let's go ahead and get these small holes cut out into bigger holes, and we could start fixing the rust. All right, so we got this cut out over here, as you can see, and upon further inspection, this right here is the gas tank, so always be careful what you're cutting in front of. Okay, so I know it's hard to see in the truck, but now you can really see, there we go, how much was actually rusted, how big that hole was. And I don't know, I did cut far enough, but I know it looks like the hole stops, but it really didn't. It was, yeah, it's gone. All right, they're kind of adjusted to it. You can definitely see the hole there now. Pretty good size hole. some sort of cross beam right there, full of crap. Yeah, so decent sized little hole there, and then kind of same thing on this side. You can really see the hole now. This one's not as big. I didn't have to go down into the channel. Alright guys, so we got the seat cover on here, and it's not great. Yeah, I mean, you know, it doesn't fit like amazing. I still got to put another bolt in the back there, but it covers, I guess. It's got some pockets in the front. That's actually kind of cool. I like that. But it doesn't really, you know, maybe it'll stretch out a little bit, but guess it's all right. It'll work. It's better than what was in there, for sure. Yeah, so I'm gonna get the slides cleaned up and the belts cleaned up, and we're gonna get this back together in the truck, and then we're gonna do a baseline sound test while driving before we put the sound deadening and all that stuff in, so we can hear a difference. We want to be able to hear the difference, hopefully, in the video before we put all the kill mat in, to see how much louder it's going to be driving the truck without kill mat versus with kill mat and carpet and everything. So all right, so we have the seat brackets. Put some of this metal protector stuff on there. Stuff's pretty good. It makes everything just free up really good. Slides so much better now. So these will be ready to go back on the seat. I decided not to wash these seat belts because, I don't know, it just didn't seem worth it. They're fine. They're not expensive if I ever want to just replace them, which I probably will do at some point, because they got the whatever, they got like the standoff right there to do shoulder harnesses, which would be nice. So they're bolted back in. We're gonna get the seat put in, put the rails on the seat, put the seat in, and then yeah, be able to take it for a test drive. All right, so we got these patches welded in. They're not great, but they work. Turn my phone off so it stops dinging. So we got the one here, got the one here, and then the one you guys saw us do on the other side. Just welding in some metal. Don't need to show all of it, but we got the seat cover in. It's not great, you know, for $35. You know, I'll throw it down in the description there, but $35 is not great. This might stretch out a little better over time, and I can like pull this back so you don't see the black part, but you know, it's way better than what was on there. The foam crap's not getting everywhere, and there's even got little pockets on the front, so like, you know, stick your phone in there or wallet, whatever, so when you don't want it in your pocket, easy access, whatever. But all right, so in the next video you guys are going to see us go for a ride. We're going to get some baseline sound and vibration noise levels, and we're going to see what difference it makes once we do pour 15 and sound deadening, and then probably not carpet by the end of that episode, but definitely some sound deadening under the seats, maybe on the transmission tunnel, pour 15. But we'll get that all worked out in the next video. For now, thanks for watching. Till next time, just keep building.